Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. It's Monday. Christmas getting near. Let's see if we're gonna have a Christmas present for today. And we might have another unicorn because last Friday we got ICCT pumping really good. And now it's still pumping 50%. We'll see if we're gonna have another pump for ICCT on the market open for today. ICCT looking good, everybody. We might have another kick for today. Not bad from last week. Let me just check. Yes, we have a pullback today for the market open. Yeah, we establish some support there. Before we started our live streaming, so if you are here, let me know, brother. If you are here, let me know so I could check. SIRI, as you said, Warren Buffett made a purchase for the stock, and yeah, we had a try for a breakout here. So this one maybe would be good if we broke the 576. Yeah, we might have something for this one for this week. Look good. Yeah, we got good earnings back in October, and from there we have a nice reversal. I think Warren Buffett bought back in September. Nice dip here over the $3. We have a target around the 670 and the 790. Welcome everybody, welcome Yasir Aliani, welcome brother. Welcome. Pigal Kahana, welcome. Let's see a good day today. Yeah, every day we watching for a unicorn, brother. Every day there is a chance for unicorn. First Republic Bank jumping 900%. 900%. Whoa, First Republic Bank got delisted, and now, yes, it's crazy. I'm gonna pass. BMRA. What we got here? Yeah, we have a nice bump for this one. Yes, sir. In pre-market, we have a try to break this level, the 183. I'm gonna put BMRA now on the list. Okay, I will put this on the list. ICCT, of course, is on the list. And TCRT. You know what I'm gonna do, you guys? I'm gonna put ICCT and this one down. And this one is a maybe. You know why? Because I don't like the reaction that happened in pre-market. We got sold off. Yes, sir. Sold off there. So I'm not completely convinced with this stock. So I will leave it be. If you don't feel it, you don't have to force the trade. It's always about the feeling, man. Sometimes you have to go with your feeling. You don't have to think twice. When the trade seems off, it means it's not good. This one is a maybe, but it's really weak. It's really bearish. The trend is really bearish. But doing all right in the pre-market. We have a fair shot to break the 68, but we didn't clear it. And I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna pass on this one. Oh man, we have a huge volatility in the pre-market. Another one, ARQT. ARQT looking interesting. I think we discussed this in the pre-market update that we did on our Discord. Yeah. This one maybe I will put just a support there. Doing alright, 30%. ARQT. Yeah, still there. Perfect. All but red mark. NRXP. Whoa, this one got shorted as well. Big time. Got shorted big time. But again, this one needs a bit of time to see where we're gonna go. The other one we got that we might have a good action. No. Okay. Okay, everybody. Sukadik, okay, let me just check. Wait a second, everybody. Let me just bring let me just bring a window and that live streaming. Let me just bring that down. Bring the chat here and the option and do this. Perfecto. Perfect. Okay. Okay, what you mean, brother? Stop stealing black belt traders. I don't understand what you mean here. Okay, we'll check GameStop, brother. We'll check GameStop technical. In the time being, let us check something really important here. Let's check something really important, which is SIRI. I'm still waiting. I think my brother here doesn't watch our live streaming because he's have a work. Yes, I think he's working. So if one of our lead hunter asks about chart analysis for SIRI, I'm gonna send it to him right now. And let me just check here. Yeah, we have a resistance there. We have the support there, which is the bottom. And the first support should be, yeah, there. So we have two profit taken and the third there. Yes, we make it really simple, guys. Really simple for the technical. We don't make it complicated. So this is the resistance around the 576, and the other one here, this is the first support. We have 4.44, and yes, perfect. And the other support is there. Second support around the 3.33. Okay, first TP. Some of you wondering what's TP means. Mean taking profit or profit. You know what I'm gonna do, because maybe, yes, it would be, I just put profit to make it simple. Some people don't know the acronym of profit, so. And the other levels, I will just put that, and this I will color it green, and that is there. Perfect. I'm gonna send it to our elite hunter right now on Discord. Let's wait until this will be copied. I'm gonna send it. Still copying? Yes. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna send it right now here. So you see how simple it is, guys. If you don't have time to trade, or if you have your work and you can't trade, you just ask me for chart analysis update if you're elite hunter, of course, and send you directly there on elite request on our Discord. Really simple. So I'm gonna take this off and check the other one. We might have a good hunt for them. Welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. Which we got here: active hybrid, TCRT, BMRA, and X. Welcome, welcome everybody, welcome. Mellow Dog. Oh, and so this guy, he just donated $2, and he told me that I'm stealing other technical. Brother, this is open source. So if I have technical analysis for GameStop, if you see the technical, my technical is the same as the other trader technical, is mean the technical is kind of open. You know, it's like you tell me, like you know, the weather, like there's prediction for the weather, and some, like say CNN say the tomorrow is raining, and another like channel say, like say ABC said tomorrow is raining. So you tell me CNN is stealing the prediction of the weather from ABC? No, of course not, because both of them, they do the the due diligence, and they do the prediction by analyzing many data, and they can predict the weather for tomorrow. So if you see my technical is the same as the other guy technical, it means good. It means we have more confirmation that GameStop will go at this direction, at that resistance, and the more trader comply or agree and one level, is mean will be true, because all the trader will predict that the price will squeeze there will be better. Is mean is really good. So no problem, brother. So I understand some people never understand technical analysis, or they never actually have any plans or any strategy. They will say that because they never see how things actually related and how things actually the same. Just think about it. So I don't say Stealing is really strong word, but I think he's more passionate. When some people like be passionate about something, sometimes they say word they don't mean, you know. It's the same like with my ex, you know. She always angry at me and scream at me, and when I talk to her and tell him what's the problem is not me. The problem is run deep to her father or to her mother. She has like a bad relationship with her father, and she reflect this on me. So there's always, when someone angry at you, the problem is not you. The problem is the guy who scream at you because they have emotional package before that. So I never get personal with anybody, call me names or anything, because everybody have their lives. Everybody have their emotional package, and the way they reflect and fence or relax from this negative energy is to reflect the inside the negative energy to other people. And this is not a good way to live your life, to have this kind of you just put fire on fire, you know. It's not good. Active hybrid, your chart and indicators link for trading view is only taking me to market summary screen. Which one, brother? Let me know, because the chart that I put is for the chart, not for market summary. Thank you, everybody. So let's get right to it, guys. Let's see what we have today. Today is the day, guys. Today is the day. We have to think positively and at the same time think negatively about everything. It's kind of paradox for everything, you know. You have to think like the worst case scenario. So even if it happened, it will never affect you emotionally. But at the same time, we have to think positive things in order to attract good things, you know. So for today, we have to watch BMRA. Whoa, this one looking interesting, man. Look at that. Perfect. The other one, ICCT, I'm watching for a breakout, guys. For this one, around the 276 will be a really nice breakout if we have this one. Milo, where's your water? Is always next to me, brother. Is always next to me. I can't live without water, man. This link, which link, brother? You mean the one that I put it on our Discord right now? This one? You see, when you click on the link, you just the picture said it all. You don't have to go to TradingView. You know, when I put the link, everything's there, man. The support, resistance, everything's there. So you don't have to click on the link. When I click on the link, you just have the big picture. You see, for the chart. So I don't have any problem from my side. I don't know which you. And of course I put this one on the elite request. So if you're not elite hunter, you don't have access to this channel. So just be careful from that. ICCT, guys, I'm watching ICCT closely for a breakout right now. PRE. Yes, brother, baby comes first. Let me just check PRE. I think you talked about pre-market, but now is when I checked, It is the a ticker symbol of one of the stock. Doesn't look good, brother. Light, really light on volume for this one. We have reverse split back there around, let me just check, November, yeah, 1 to 15. I don't consider this one a good trade, man. So if you enter, you'll be trapped because you can't exit. When stock is low on float, man, you can't do anything. Volume is life, is water for the stock. So be warned, don't try to trade this one. SMFL, what happened to this stock? SMFL. I think got delisted, brother. I can't find it. SMFL, I think it got delisted, or you put the wrong ticker symbol. Yes, one of them. Yeah, Raven, man, you warned me from the last year, from the last week. I mean, you always warn me. You should say watch out for NEO, because NEO have a nice jump, guys, in the pre-market. And Tesla is about to break. GETR, yes, good call for GETR, because it's doing really all right here, and is about to do something. But technically, I don't feel comfortable trading this one. No, I don't feel comfortable trading this one. Nope. Even though we have a nice reversal, but the technical doesn't look good enough for me to take a trade. Yeah, we have a resistance around the 38, but I don't feel comfortable trading it. 4Cs, the same. I'm gonna take it from the list. And VRCA looking okay for another pump, 6% down, but CVNA okay down. BRSH pumped and dumped and pumped again. We got some news regarding this one. Kevin Hart pumping this stock lately, so that's why it pumped. SMFL is still active. I didn't find it, brother, here. I make it simple, brother. So sometimes we have the volume light in the pre-market, but it pick up after the market open and go to the millions. So what's important is the float, not the volume. Sometimes we have light volume, but good float is like almost 40 million or 10 million. And this is make the stock squeeze even on light volume. And of course the news. So the volume is the first step or the first thing to check, It's like asking a girl if she's a stripper or not, if you want to marry a girl and you just ask her this question and she said she's a stripper, you should okay, you just call it a night, and you don't have to waste time, you just leave. I'm not saying stripper not good, but if you want to have a long relationship or you want to settle down, I don't know, like some people say okay, stripper is okay, but if you're not okay and you have it under your list and the girl told you that, why are you wasting time? You don't have to continue the date or the conversation with that girl. The same with the stock. If you have a check like, okay, the stock is below 1 million, delete. Make it simple. Sometimes, yeah, below the 1 million, and then we have news and the volume picking up. But if you have other stocks, I will pick the stock that have over the 1 million. Okay, wait a second. Let me just. Okay, I want to understand something here. Why this one changed like this? Okay. There's always a solution. Let me just check. Yeah, good question, brother. Good question regarding what's the float from Jen. Okay, the market is open. Okay, sorry guys, I really lost track of time. Before we start, guys, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And we have a breakout here. We have a breakout. Watch out, everybody. We got a breakout for ICCT. We might have another here. Let me just check ICCT. We might have a good trade for ICCT. Yeah, ICCT looking good, guys. Okay, let's see if we have something for ICCT. And we got view here on the list as well. ICCT, we have a breakout from the 279. And this one is about to break. ARQT is holding the support. And BRSH, let me just check this one very quick. Nope. So I'm watching, guys, BMRA, because we might have a breakout now. If we go in 1 minute to check, yes, we have a huge buyer here. ICCT, on the other hand, we have a bit of pullback here. And yes, we got breakouts. We have a target around $3.55 and supports $2 there. Let me just check where we're gonna go or where we're gonna pull to. So yeah, we have a support here now, $2.36. Resistant $3.55. We're gonna go there. And of course, we have this support that we have to watch out for. To hold, $3.55 is the target now. BMRA, we're still below the $1.80. Let me just check the other stocks here. URBN, fuel cell energy, guys. We have a nice pump. Nice pump. 12%. URBN ready, watching for the 3786 break. We waiting for 2% here, and now it's 2%. We have Palantir jumping again, guys. Palantir, watch out. We have unusual seller on the weekend. I think someone closed on the weekend here, and now we holding over this level. So now for today we might have a huge pump for Palantir to go toward the 19 again, because we held the support. Neo, we have a pullback for Neo. And let me just go very quick for ICT, because we expect a breakout, continuation for this breakout. Okay, ARQT, we might have a breakout for this one instead. ARQT. Let me just see if we have breakout yet. Okay, I'm watching ARQT, guys. $3.36. We have a wick. Price didn't continue. BMRI, not yet. ICCT, okay. So I'm watching for this one, man. This one will be a nice clean break if we broke the $3.36. $3.36. Going once, going twice. Yes, GME looking nice so far. Yes, John, I forget. Yes, I lost track of time. Yes, Palantir looking good, brother. Still looking good. Okay, again, let me just show you. Palantir looking really juicy, guys. It's pumping like no tomorrow. 1854. As we said last Friday, we have unusual selling pressure here, but now we have a recovery after we reverse from this ascending channel. We expect the 19 again, or even the 20 for this week. 2030, guys. This would be a good reversal for Palantir. Another 9% target for Palantir. In the big picture, Palantir looking good. Let me just show you. We have a turning point for Palantir around the 1915. Yes, still holding the support. Today we might have a nice kick for Palantir toward the 1915 and have a breakout. Tesla, guys. Tesla, we have a breakout. Tesla, we got our breakout here. Nice, man. Tesla, guys, look at this. We have a breakout from this bearish trend. Okay, Tesla looking bullish. Tesla looking really bullish here. Yes, sir. 1%. We might have the 268 for this week. 4% and then 8%. This will be magnificent. Yes, sir. Let me just check where we're gonna go. Yeah, the target for Tesla, if we really have a bullish trend for this year, is the 313. Yeah, Tesla looking good. I'm gonna be on the lookout for Tesla. URBN, oh brother, this one looking juicy as well. URBN looking really juicy. Fuel Cell Energy did a huge pump for today, guys. A huge pump. 14% prior to the earnings. I expect the earnings is by tomorrow, but we pumped. Unusual pump. ICCT is still pumping, guys. ICCT is still pumping. And this one is about to pump again. $3.36. And this one as well. Guys, today should be the day. Today is the day, like Dexter. You know Dexter, the American TV show? This guy always killing people. Each night he go to hunt. Each night to find a prey, a bad person to kill. And each day he say, the day is today. The day is the day. Every night. And when he said that, he always catch a bad criminal and he execute him. Yes, I know it's a bad TV show, but it's really good. Show you the instinct of hunting, and the focus. When you believe that you're gonna catch a hunt, you're gonna catch it. So ARQT, ICCT, we have accumulation here. Look at this beautiful trend, guys. Look at this. We have kind of flag forming here. So we might have another pump from this flag up. It's happening. It's happening. For ICCT, is happening, guys. Is happening. Yeah, ICCT is pumping again. $3.19. ARQT, nothing. This one is nothing. Still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting for a pump here. CVNA, not bad. GameStop, 4%. GameStop, another new high around the $18. Okay, we got a new support there for GameStop around the 17.08. It's going toward the 20, guys. GameStop going toward the 20. AMC, nothing much. This is unusual. The first time that we have GameStop pumping and AMC dumping. This is the first time, guys. We have unusual reaction from the market. NKLA is pumping 2%. Okay, what we got here? ICCT is still holding, guys. We got big seller around the $3.18. Hit the like button, everybody. Hit the like. Don't forget, we always go live each day, so show the love. 30 minutes before the market open, of course. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon. Yes, this Dexter is the man. We need him, man. We need him in real life to catch bad people. ARQT, not ready yet. Not ready, man. Not ready. There's a big seller around the $3.36. If we broke this level, we might have a huge day here, guys. A huge day for ARQT. Nixo, I'm gonna take it from the list. CVNA looking okay. And VRCA, I'm gonna take it from the list. NKLA, okay, not bad. ICCT, nothing much. Okay, Palantir, we need another pump for Palantir, guys. We need a pump for Palantir. I think I saw something here. We got a seller. Yeah, we got the seller again. See, the seller is around the 18, guys. The seller is around the 18.54 for Palantir. Watch out. We got a seller. If we make the short seller cover here, we're gonna go toward the 19.15. Palantir, this is it. Palantir, this is it. 18.54. ICCT pulling back down. You see, we have a flag here, guys. We have a flag here, as we suggest. If we broke it up, it's good, but we did it down instead, and we went almost 10%. VMRA, nothing much. ARQT, yeah, nothing much here. Still below the resistance. GameStop, guys. GameStop 5%. CVNA 5%. Oh man, CVNA is about to do something here. We have the 57. If we broke it, is game on for CVNA. 57 resistant. GameStop the same. We have new high around the 18, new high around the 18, 19. Resistance is around the 20, 25. Let's check if we got 6% here and 11% there. Yeah, volume is really light for GameStop. ARQT. Okay, it's getting near. Just 1% left. 1%. You see here, man, we have a struggle for Palantir to break the 1854. This is it, guys. We got major resistance for Palantir to break 1855. Once we break, we'll confirm that Palantir will squeeze up again toward the 1915. The last high that we have last week. ICCT, we got the break and pull back. So this is not strong reaction from ICCT, for my opinion. We could have went to the at least the 340. So we got rejected below that. Okay, so we got big seller there, and maybe we're gonna go there now for 6. And of course there the $10. Let me just check how much days for ICCT were pumping. Yeah, just 2 days, guys. 2 days. 2 days of pump for ICCT. Watch out for a reversal zone now for ICCT. We need to hold over this level, the 236 and the 213. This is the critical zone for ICCT to reverse. Now it's 54%. We have a target around the 446. 446, another 70%. ARQT is still holding. GameStop started to squeeze. GameStop. Let me just go to GameStop. GME. It's going. Let me just go on the. Okay, we got 6%. And we might have a bit of pullback now. Yes, we got target around the $20. And the support now is over the 17. Yes. This is our support target that we should hold for today. Let me just go back to view. Okay. View is still looking all right. And this one, I might have an entry for this one. Once we break. Yeah. This one still looking strong because price is still holding nearly the breakout zone, $3.36. CI next big resistance, we'll check it, brother. SGD 140 million deal with only 17 million share market cap. Okay, Jos, thank you for the reminder. SGD, guys, ALT exploding. ALT exploding. Let me just go watching ALT. This is not explosion, brother, because we're still below the 8. And SGD, let me just check this one. Someone said we got some news. Yes, but no thank you. We're still below a major level of resistance here. So no thank you, brother. I will pass on this one. SGD is still not good here. Nicola looking good. Yes, brother. What else? Let me just go back to ARQT because we might miss the pump. On ICCT, nothing much. This one, nothing much. CVNA looking good. 6%, man. And GameStop looking really good here. GameStop looking good. And AMC reversing from the bottom, the 650. Finally, AMC following the footsteps of GameStop and going higher. Guys, watch out for the 2025. Here we gonna have a major test for GameStop. Major test. Maybe for tomorrow. Today we might have 10%, 15, then we're gonna have a pullback. But yeah, we got the 17 as a support. Nicola not bad. CVNA not bad. The rest is history. ARQT, man, what a disappointment. We're watching the $3.36. We don't have any reactions, no whatsoever. Good one, brother. Good one. Yes. Good one. AMC started to pump. Once we have the dump, it was a good entry zone. Yeah, not bad. GameStop is really doing all right since a few days now. I think we're gonna end with a huge pump for the market for GameStop and AMC. Okay, we have to have a bit of patience here. I'm still watching URBN, guys. URBN was waiting to trade this stock since 2 weeks. And Palantir, man. Palantir, we need a kick, guys. Come on. Where's the balls? Palantir. We need a huge ball to make us break. We're missing just 1% again to confirm that. Another 1%. Now it's 1.50%. Guys, Palantir is on the verge of turning point, guys. Palantir is on the first turning point. This is the support around this white line, and this is the resistance around the orange line, the 1855. Once we break, we're gonna confirm a big whale buying here, and we're gonna kick again toward the 1950 where we got shorted last Friday. We have unusual selling pressure that happened after a huge pump. You see, unusual, because as everybody knows, market maker usually they close the trade overnight on Friday, and they buying now again because they see that the technical is still good for Palantir. So now it started to buy. We're gonna confirm that after we break the 1855 for Palantir. Let me just check your questions, guys. Amazon to the moon, LQR. Why Amazon to the moon? I was listening to a podcast between the guy, who is his name, man? I forget his name. Jeff Bezos, yes. And I was surprised because before he started doing Amazon, he was trying to be like theoretical physicist, and he said it's really hard. And he was wise to do that, because he said if you want to be in physics, you need to have a level of math, unprecedented level. And he said, I calculated my probability of getting like a Nobel Prize or whatever really slim. So he switched from physics to computer science, and he said this is the best choice ever. And he said you have to swallow your pride sometimes. Yes, everybody say motivation speak, you have to believe you can do everything, but sometimes you have to be reasonable and see the time frame that you have in your life and see if it's doable or not. If you are smart enough or not. Sometimes you're not smart enough to do something, and it's not wise to push further. You have to see your inner strength, What's your natural strength? If you are good at sports, forget about physics and do sport instead, if you have the genetic for it. If you know that you like creativity and problem solving and things like this and puzzle solving, you don't have to even go to physics. Physics, yes, will give you the idea of thinking outside the box, but you can be other things. You can use other things that will be at the same level of your skill set. And yes, when I started to hear Jeff Bezos, I have the same dream as his, it's like to be like in NASA, I don't know, like building a rocket, go to Mars. But when I thought about it, it's like, okay, if I want to start over and I want to be like at NASA, I did my research, and it's like the application that go to NASA with the people who actually apply to. It's really crazy, the requirement, You have to spend all your life in order to get pass in the first test, or even to be chosen. And there's even a movie I watched about a Mexican guy who tried to be an astronaut. And he tried almost 20 years to apply to NASA, and he got rejected. But finally, of course, in any movie, there's happy ending. But show me the reality of things like this, PSTX is moving. Yes, Amazon, it look really good here. ICCT is still holding. This one is still holding. CVNA. Let me just check you. PSTX. Alvaro. PSTX. No, I'm gonna pass on this one. Let me just check again. Yes, Palantir. Come on, Palantir, we need to have a pump here. DKNG is reversing from the bottom a bit. Raven, not bad. Yes, Palantir, guys, is about to pump right now around the 1855. Now or never, because we have a huge whale buying now in Christmas. So if we want to make a good VK, like a V recovery here, we need to break the 1855, everybody, to have a squeeze up. Look at this, 1853. We're missing just 2 cents to break this level. 1852, 53, 54. Yeah, we went until the 54. Okay, 54. It's getting near. Where's the 55? Where's the balls, everybody? 1 cent. We're missing 1 cent for Palantir to have an actual squeeze. Come on, break the 55. Come on. We need this 5 minute, guys. 5 minutes. This 5 minute to break the orange line. ICCT, nothing much. ARQT, nothing much. CVNA looking good, guys. CVNA looking pretty nice. It's going toward the 57. This will be a good squeeze zone for CVNA. Let me just go to URBN. Oh man, this one is about to break my level, the 37.86. We might have this breakout today. I'm still have this stock on my list for 2 weeks. I was waiting for this breakout, man. I was waiting. It's like, you know, URBN is remind me of the girl that I have a crush on, you know. I was waiting to ask her out every time, man, until the last day of school, and I didn't have the courage to ask her out, and now it's been almost 10 years, man. I didn't get the courage to ask her out, and I just left without saying goodbye or taking her number. Hopefully it doesn't happen to URBN, you know. I don't want to have deja vu. Hopefully this girl will, or me, have the courage to ask her out. You know, the worst thing, brother and sisters, the worst thing is in life is regret, you know. Never buying the stock, or never starting a business, or never asking a girl out, or whatever the case will be with you. Please don't make this mistake by never making mistake. Sometimes asking someone out and they don't like you, you get rejected. This is the worst case scenario. But at least you know. If you don't try, you never know. And rejection is better than having the unknown, or never know the ending of the movie, you know. So this is what I put in my mind. Every conversation, everything I do is like a movie. If I talk with a person, I have to finish the movie, or finish the scene. How you finish the scene is by asking the girl out, by trying things out, by doing things out, in order to have the happy ending, you know, or even bad ending. The most important thing is to watch the movie until the end. Just remember, the last time that you watch a movie, you want to know the end, you know. You want to know what's going on, even if a bad ending, like let's say Breaking Bad was really bad ending, but at least you know what's going on, you know what's happened to Mr. White, what's happened to him. So yeah, please finish the movie. Please finish your movie. IVVD. I'm not missing, man. There's no missing out. IVVD. Let me just check. Oh God, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, this one. Ah man, this one is gone. Yeah, this one is gone. It's gonna get rejected right now. This one is gone, brother. This one is gone. I'm telling you. So I'm not touching it because it's gonna have a huge pullback. It's overextended now. Really overextended. Around the 4. Yeah, so IVVD maybe after we're gonna have a pullback, maybe we're gonna have an entry. It's still pumping now. So I'm not touching this one. I will watch for a pullback. ARQT, nothing much. CVNA, NKLA doing alright. GME. Let me just see Palantir. Oh, come on, man. Look at this. 1855 and it didn't break. Are you kidding me, man? Are you kidding me? 1855, man. Short seller still there. Still there. Those bastards. Oh, brother. Let me just put alert there. I'm gonna forget about this one. Oh God. Oh no way. It's about to break now. It's about to break. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening, everybody. It's happening right now. We're gonna have a break. How much we can do for this one? Yes, we have the $40, 7%, and here 14%. But it's happening, guys. It's happening. URBN. 4%. Let me just go to URBN. %. And what's going on here? Are we gonna have a break? Yeah, 45 second. I think we're gonna have a nice break now. Yeah, 30 seconds. Light volume, but we got our breakout finally. 37.90. We almost hit the 38. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. We got lift off. Let me just check if we have a lift off. The other 5 minutes is printed right now. Yes, I think we're gonna have a lift off here. So let's see if we're gonna have an entry. And yeah, I think we're gonna have a lift off now for this one. Swing trade, swing trade, swing trade. Okay, everybody, let me just do this. Okay, Palantir, we got a big seller there, so 1855, not looking good. We might have a pullback. we might have our pullback, big pullback. Okay, let me just URBN. Let me just go to the elite. Yeah, man, this one looking good here. Okay, we got some support here. We can risk 5% and gain 7 or more. Okay, IVVD, finally, we have a pullback right around our resistance, the 484. CVNA, pullback, ARQT, pullback, GameStop, a bit of pullback. NKLA, guys, NKLA good, looking good toward the $1. We got a target for today around the $1. Okay, I think we got a winner. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it looked good now. URBN looking good. Okay, so let's see if we gonna have at least another 6%. Yeah, $40. Okay, IVVD, maybe we're gonna have something here. If we held the $3.97, everybody, this one might be good. ICCT, brother, as long as we hold the $2.36 is okay. The $2.13 I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna close the trade if we broke the $2.13. So long, so good. As long as we hold here. ARQT, not good. We don't have entry for this one. We were waiting for a breakout, but we didn't. Around the $3.36. And IVVD, it look okay so far if we hold over the 4. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush because it's overextended here. Look at this. So if we hold here, okay. If we didn't, we're gonna have a pullback around the $3. So far, so good. $2.97, yes. GETR, as we said, is doesn't look good technically. That's why we don't put it here on our list. X. I thought this is Twitter, but no, it's United States Steel Corporation. Whoa, we have a huge jump for this one. It's not penny stock, but jumping 26%. Why? You have to ask yourself why. This is crazy jump. For Tesla, guys, looking good. We already got our breakout. 256. Yeah, Tesla looking good. We might have a good run for Tesla. Tesla every time do a good run before the end of each year. Each end of any year we have a huge pump for Tesla. LQR, testing. We got major test now. ARQT is about to break the support. Oh man, this one is like a ticking bomb, man. You know, it's like a ticking bomb. It's really difficult to trade this one because it looked like it's overextended and it's about to pull back. Daily pizza. Tax harvesting. First thing first, brother, if you are living in the United States, you have to talk to your tax guy because every country have different taxation system. Try to seek a professional, brother, regarding this question because I don't want to misinform you about taxation because, as we said, each country have a different set of rules. Yeah, LF Williams, IVVD is a cash cow, but watch out for the bulls. Watch out for this cow. Sometimes the cow give you milk, but if you milk too much from the cow might kick you in your face. It happened for a lot of farmers that they never get enough from the milk. So know when you get enough from the milk, because if you never get enough, you might get kicked by the cow. This is dangerous. Yeah, ICT found a bit of support, everybody. Exactly, where's the balls? Charles said, where's the balls? Yes. Jen asked a really great question lately about the market. If we have if the market about to close 5 minutes and we have a sign of a pump little and ends with a green candle, is the good sign when the stock pump a little and ends with a green candle? As we said, John, I don't know if you listen to us here, it's good if we have the same reaction for ICCT. See here, before the market close, we have this huge pump here, exactly here, and rejection. The good thing is, after that, after the market close, we're still holding the support, and then after the market close, we got our pump. So you tell me if it's good we have a pump before the market close? Yes and no. Yes, if we have after hours, if we're still holding the support, sometimes we have a fake out, a pump then the market close, we have a dump. So it always depends on the technical, if we're still holding the support after the market close. And second, if we got major news still holding the stock up. Because sometimes we have superficial news kind of give you fake energy. It's like eating sugar, you know, fast processed sugar. You feel energy, have an hour, and then you feel died out. You have to take another piece of candy. But the best way of form is fiber, you know. Eat healthy food. When you eat it, you have energy for 7 hours. And you don't have like up and down swing mood. So eat healthy, eat good fibers, and you have a good value or good quality of energy. The same with stock. If you want to have a good quality of pump, what does mean good quality? It does mean a pump and the price hold. A pump and price hold. We don't have a dump. But yes, a great question from our hunter, disciplined hunter, Jen Morbell. Jen Morbell, great question, brother. GETR, Luke Storm said, we got a warning from the angels, 1111. This is a signal from the angels that the stock will squeeze. Okay. You must be wondering, Jesus, angels never trade. They don't need money to survive. I'm telling you, yes, maybe they trade. Maybe there's a big game in heaven, more fun than trading. And maybe even in heaven there's a way of traders to trade in heaven. We'll see. Nobody knows. That's the fun part of it, you know. When you don't know something, there is a mystery, there is some way of wonder. What if? What's this happen and what's that happen? If you know everything, it will be boring, you know. If you know the end and how everything will turn up to, make no sense. Make no sense. There's no excitement. Wow. This one is not giving up. Still holding in this tight range, everybody. 17%. Watch out, if we have a pullback, we're gonna have a huge pullback, 30%. And if we have a pump, we're gonna have a pump of 30%. So this one, big gain, big loss. Watch out, this one, big gainer and big loser if we have breakout for the support. LQR is breaking out. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, kind of breaking here. But yeah, I don't trust this break yet. Okay, like for this one, this is not the break yet. The break happened around the $2.80, so this is our support. We have another resistance now around the 381. 31%. So LQR looking good, guys. This is the best candidate to be a unicorn. And this one I'm still waiting for a flush, guys. This one is flush. This one want to flush down, guys. This one want to flush down. Oh, it look really scary, this one. I see like a huge wave of tsunami of short seller coming for this one. 150, so we have to lose 30% from the 150. So still, even if we have a flush of 30%, we still be over the 100%. But yeah, it's time to flush, man. It's time to go back to earth. Still holding the support though. URBN, we have a bit of accumulation here. GME, we got 5%, and then the rocket stopped pumping fuel. Where's 4Cs goes? We got a great question from my brother John. Where are we gonna go? 15% down, of course, is going down to the basement. This one's going to the basement. Yes, it's going. It's entering our box. It's going toward the $3.73, brother. This is the support that we should and we ought to have a reversal. Let me just lower it again. Yes, there. And there. So we have that level, and we got, this one is a bit far. Okay, we're watching for a pullback and dip, buying the dip for this one. It's really tricky for the bottom here. Okay, we're watching a nice dip coming up for this one. Right there, guys. Right there, 380. Let me just check again. 380 and 340. We got a nice reversal coming up. Nice reversal. Booyah. Here we got some resistance and some profit. Okay, so we got a huge pump down for 4Cs. So I'm watching for this dip, $3.80. Should be a good dip. Yeah, this one should be a good dip. Guys, hit the like. Don't forget to hit the like button. We go live each day. Remember, each day we're gonna go live. So it's not one day, each day, 30 minutes before the market open. So hit the notification, spread the love, share our live streaming everywhere, because we always talk about where to enter, where to exit, and of course taking profit. And here on our Discord we discuss unicorn. As you can see here, view, we have a nice hunt for view before. From this breakout we have 4Cs, we have a really great hunt from this breakout, and we suggest of course to take profit around the 6. And of course STTK, So every time when we finish our live streaming, we do our chart analysis update here, Discord and Patreon. So you have to join first our Patreon in order to have access to our Discord. The link will be sent to you automatically, and you can link your Patreon to Discord and have access to our chart analysis that we do daily. Because each day there's opportunity, guys. Each day there's opportunity in the market to hunt. So if someone told you, oh, you missed out on this trade, tell them that Jesus said there's always opportunity in the market each day. So there's no FOMO here, guys. There's no FOMO at our channel. We always say there's opportunity, there's abundance. There's always abundance. ICCT still going down. Watch out, ICCT. We have a huge pullback here. This one is still holding. Okay, guys, 1 minute. I'm just bring some tea in order to bring back the focus. You know, when you trade 1 hour, 2 hours, you lose a bit of focus. So instead of coffee, I prefer to take dark chocolate and tea, of course. So 5 minutes. I'll come back. Don't move anywhere. Luke want a cup of coffee as well. Sorry, maybe in the future, brother, if we have this possibility in the future that we can actually share food and our live streaming, I will do it, brother. I will give you everything. I will bring chocolate, I bring coffee, drinks, whatever. Would be really fun, you know, that if we can share everything like food and touch and I think this is coming in future. No, I don't like this one. We don't have a flash there. ICCT, let me just check if we got something here. Going toward the low. Our lowest low. GameStop, we have a bit of pullback and a reversal very quick. Okay, so now we have a pullback market. This means the whale just took their money from the market. Everybody knows that on the market open we have a flood of money coming up from the market maker, from the banks, and usually they stay and usually they just leave early. So now we see a bit of liquidity problem in the market. That's why we have a bit of pullback. Yeah, would be a good plan, Luke Storm. Would be a good plan. Okay, we have unusual movement now for GameStop. Let me just check how much the volume here. Still, the volume is not convincing. It's not convincing to me for GameStop. You see what's happened when we have not the right breakout. We just pump 5, go back 2%, pump 3, go back 5. It's not the pump that we wishing for GameStop. As we said, that's why we have a new level around the 20-25. On the market open, we got a nice pump here, 7%, and we pull back, of course, here. Look at this, 3%. And now it's reversing once again. Let's see if we break the 1840, everybody, would be good for GameStop. Exactly. John, Cuen. En. I think we talked about this before. 85%. This is one of the hidden unicorn, guys. I think we have the breakout here on the market open. No, the breakout happened there. Yeah, it was dead. Yeah, we did almost all that in the pre-market. It was hidden actually, so let me just check here. 3, then try. Yeah, it was really good here. Okay, so watch out, John. $2.17 support, 277 is the resistance, and we have profit around the 345. John, let me know if you got this, if you got that. So Low Storm, if you have a bad relationship, do. Of course, you don't go back. Good idea, Look Storm. Which play that you made that? TGH, ICCT. We have to hold the support. Still holding the support that we discussed. Let me just check if we're still holding. Yeah, $2.13. And now we have another resistance, brother. We have to break the. So watch now. Yeah, this one is promising, guys. This one look promising. CUEN is about to break 277. Okay, guys, we're gonna do update later on for the stock that we have to watch. Like this one is starting to break a new level. We got other stock that we have to watch, like ICCT and NKLA, getting near the $1. So stay tuned for a major update on our Discord later on, and of course on our Patreon and YouTube membership. So if you are one of those platforms, expect a short analysis update for entry, exit, and all the new levels, because of course after a few minutes, few hours, the chart change completely, and we have to discuss the entry zone for them and where we should take profit. Profit is most important thing in trading. So stay tuned for a major update, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow as usual here on our channel. And stay tuned for a major update for GameStop, because today we might have our squeeze for GameStop. See you soon, and stay safe, and see you all tomorrow. Thank you for watching.